Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. These are the three easiest digital products to sell on Etsy, and I'm gonna go through them real quick right now, guys. These are ridiculously easy. Like, I can't even believe they're selling it, and I can't even believe they're making so much passive income. But guys, wait till the end. So I got a couple of nuggets also just to go through. As usual, without further ado, as I always do, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, making, and all of that great stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share, guys, because sharing is caring. Anyway, check this one out, guys. This is like ridiculous. So good. Easy. 20 plus in a basket. £6.90. Now there's a sale. Grant it. But what is this? It says fill your own doodle letters on Canva. So literally, they got a doodle writing style, right? And then all you need to do is get your design or whatever it is and drag it in the letter, and it creates the pattern, right? Let me just show you very quickly because the video probably explains it all. Check this one out. So basically in Canva, let's say you're dragging a pattern that you want for, that you've created possibly, maybe even that you can find on Canva, and you put it in the letters, right? Simple as that. That's it. Like, there's no more for me to explain because like this is it. It's a PNG editable Canva design, frame design, and that's all it is. There's nothing more to it. I wish I could explain more. It's the simplest thing. And so all they've done is literally is like, they've just shown you the letters, Canva, template, that's it. So let's just have a look and see what it is, what people use it for. Because I think that's the reason why it's so popular, because obviously its use. It's a digital download to PDF. So people are saying it's amazing. People are loving these. But check what they're using it for, guys. So essentially from what I can see is people are using it to create their own, in a lot of instances, their own name. So letters in their name, their name using the letters, and then creating some, patterns and designs with this. Look at this. Actually, not only in just names, there's all sorts of stuff they're producing. So yeah, they're just showing what they use it as clip art. Okay, so clip art, using it as t-shirt designs on their t-shirts. Look at this one. Yep. This is quite nice. That's quite nice. They're using it for all sorts. Look at these. Like, these are quite nice for these sublimation gifts. All right, look at this. This is quite nice. Okay, so they use it for various things, like maybe a birthday invitation, where they just drop in. I think what it is the simplicity of this. They just like the fact they can drop in the color on this kind of doodle style, and I also think they probably like that doodle style, doodle style writing. Okay, so there you go. There's another one, and another one. And here's another one. There's so many pictures, actually. People love to take pictures of these. Okay, that's it. So there's a lot here, guys. There's a lot here. There's a lot of people using these. They seem to like it. This seems very, very easy, guys. And it's like, there's a lot of these, actually. That's from the same shop. Okay, my apologies. But check this out, guys. So I've just given you an idea. This can be mocked up quite quickly. It can be created quite quickly in Canva. Literally, that's all it is, and then you don't have to do anything else. You're just doing almost like the template for the letters, the numbers, whatever it is, and you're uploading it as a digital file. So this particular listing gets approximately 7,532. Crack-a-lacking, absolute beast, monster listing, killing it. Even now, it's got a sale on it now, and it's smashing it. It's smashing all things. It's like a mad little machine of a money maker. It's like a money making machine right there, ready to go. So that's one of the three ideas that I think you guys should consider. But see, what it is its use. its use. People use it for like many. See, any good product that you sell has many different uses. There you go. If you can create something that can go on different things, and remember, you see my videos about creating design for many different products, items, goes a long way, guys. Goes a long way. So know that this is very, it's a popular thing to do. Okay, the next one, the next easy, simple digital product that I think you should consider and actually just make, right, is this car coasters, right? They're just circles, right? Car coaster circles, sublimation designs. Now remember, look, we've done loads of designs on Midjourney, guys. If you remember, all my playlists are all there. And I spoke about having some popular designs. And remember what I said about popular designs that cross over many different things? Like, for example, the American flag, sunflowers, right? Sunflowers again, horses, unicorns, like mythical creatures, sloths, bees, there's loads of things that cross over that mosaic style. Look at that mosaic, that's like more hexagonal, but you know what I'm saying. Mosaic style, stained glass style. I mean, granted, this one's got loads and loads of designs. How many does that have? Bundle of 500, right? 500. Granted, it's 500, but guys, I'm telling you now, with what we've talked about previously with many items, that this is not hard at all. And let's have a look at the pictures. They do look good, when you actually produce them. But remember, we're just producing, these are car coasters. We're just producing like digital downloads, guys. Look, it's literally a digital download. It's quite nice. I mean, people are using these to create a product, right? So I like it a lot, and they can be used for many different items as usual. Look, this is crossing over on tumblers now, right? These are obviously tumblers which the seller sells also wraps for. But when you're looking at car coasters, guys, I mean, it's a circle, right? That's all it is, circle design. And remember what I keep saying about these things, like, on Etsy itself. I mean, on Etsy itself, you've got to look at a few things. So, this is very simple to do in Midjourney, right? You know that. We've done it before, as in we've done many designs quickly. 500 PNGs, that's not hard either, right? So you could do this, obviously, try and keep similar, do some designs that are popular as well, okay? If you do that, then obviously you're sticking to sort of designs that work. And then if we look at car coasters, even just like car coaster designs, car coaster PNGs, right? Car coaster PNGs. Just type in that. I just want to see its popularity. It's a good one. It's an unsaturated market. There's a lot of maneuvering, a lot of space to get into. Look, 7,771 results. So I definitely think it's somewhere that you can actually work in. Okay, definitely somewhere where you can actually work in. Sorry, let me go back. And we didn't even see how much it's making. It's crazy. But aside from that, also you could actually you could get to be able to do this. You just create the design, and remember what I say about coaster mock-ups, yeah. Coaster mock-ups, right? Do you remember when I showed you about how to do these mock-ups for the earrings? Remember those teardrop earrings? You don't even need to create it yourself. Like when you actually go onto Etsy itself, you'll see that they've got they've got coaster mock-ups so that you can sort of help sell your item. But what I wanted to show you was they also have the templates. So let me just double check. Template, and this is all Etsy, right? You don't even need to go anywhere else, no other like site. Stick with Etsy, because Etsy will show you the way. And there you go. You got all of these really cool templates where you can literally upload your file on Canva. Like here you go. I'll just give you this as an example. It's only £1.24, right? There you go. You get a sheet, and you can get all these coasters where you literally upload your designs, and that's it. And then obviously, you want to be able to upload maybe a few different file formats. Like here, it's showing you, which you can do as well. You can actually have your PNGs all on a template page, quite simply, and put it on a digital file, and that's it. That's all you need to do. That's literally it. I mean, you get this for £1.24. It's cheap. And literally put all your designs on it. Put pages and pages of it. Do a bundle, don't forget, if you're going to do it. Do a bundle, because that goes a long way. And people love bundles, right? And that is it. Now, so coming back to the actual listing itself, which I want to just touch on. I went through all of that and I didn't even tell you how much it makes. Now, this listing, only this listing, right? Don't forget, take into account there's a sale on it right now. But if there wasn't a sale on it, it makes approximately every month $7,364 per month, right? Absolute monster. Simplest thing to do, easiest thing to do, guys. You could literally do like a pack of 50, let's say, bundle in a couple of hours. Get it already, put on a template, boom, 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 listing up there, choo, out there, right? Let's do more. Remember, SEO software, my EVERBEE, which is basically what's helping me analyze all of this, is my extension for EVERBEE. Check out links in my description for all SEO, all the tools I use, including EVERBEE, which you can try out. It's a free trial on it. And so if I just expand on the tags, look, you can, it tells you like car coaster PNG, right, is there. Okay, so you've got a load of little PNGs, and look, guys, there are other ones here. This is what I like about EVERBEE. It'll tell me, like, look at this one, the air freshy PNG. Air freshies are good, you know. I know the volume is not massive, but I'm telling you what, air freshies are pretty good as well. License plates are pretty good as well. You know, you want to go where where all these are, and actually you can use the same design for all of them. If you remember, I did a video on that. Anyway, this is my second easy, simple digital product you can do, and then we're gonna go to my third easy. Easy, is it that one or that one? Which one do I do? I did that 1, 2, 3, yeah. So the next one on the list is this one, right? Now we spoke about these faceless custom products, right? Faceless ones. These are not faceless. These are like the drawn style, right? And if you remember, I did something called pet portrait, and the pet portrait is simply, they will give you a picture. So like let's say they give you a picture, right? The customer's going to give you a picture, and then they're going to want you to create something using the picture, right? And literally all you need to do is you need to just make sure that you just say to Midjourney, because you can do this on Midjourney real quick, guys, real quick, and literally say to Midjourney that you upload the image, upload the file, and you can create an animated or a drawn style with it, right? If you check out my pet portrait custom design that I did, check it out. It's on the playlist under wall art playlists. It goes through the whole process. But if you do want me to do a video on this one, don't forget in the comments, just say which one do you want me to do, because I might do a video on one of these as well. So whichever one you like, just put something in the video and I'll try and do it. Not guaranteed, but if a lot of people say it, I probably will. Now, analyze this listing. This is going for £32, guys. Crazy cash. Making $6,858 per month. It's actually on a sale right now, 70% sale, which is mad. Actually going for £100 usually. And yes, it's a custom thing. I get you. That means that you do have to spend a bit of time. You have to get the picture from the customer, and then you have to sort of create this illustrative style with it. I get that, guys. But when you got Midjourney, you got your friend is right by your side, your AI guy. You can just say, you know what? Get the picture, put it up, transform it, boom, done. Check out my pet portrait playlist, guys. There you go. I hope you liked the video. 3 easy ideas that you can get going on Etsy. If you did, tell me which one you liked in the comments. Just tell me which one, and maybe I'll try and do a video on it if I can. But guys, if you do also like it, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring, guys. And don't forget, check out my videos up above. Check out all the links in my description, especially EVERBEE, where I actually help you and show you how to actually analyze and get your keyword and product analytics, product research done. Guys, take care, and I shall see you in the next video.